In today's video, I'm talking about websites that you might not be aware of that a lot of people are using to carry out simple tasks ranging from erasing pictures from your photos, erasing an object from your photos, changing the background of your photos, and carrying out executing different tasks ranging from PDF editing, image editing, video editing, and other tools as well. So if you like this video, please do well to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload on this channel. The first website we're talking about is cleanup.pictures. With this website, you can remove unwanted objects, defects, or people from tests and tests from your pictures. So if there's any unwanted objects in your picture, you can remove those unwanted objects using this website. So with this website, you can remove any unwanted object. So you click on this place to upload your image. For the purpose of this demonstration, I have downloaded an image from the internet. So if you have any image you want to remove any unwanted object, it can be a person, it can be any unwanted object, you can use this website. Click on continue with SD. Then with the brush, you can erase the parts of the image you want to remove. So whatever you want to remove, it can be a person, it can be an object, it can be a text, it can even be watermarks by companies you've probably used their service. So you can use this site to remove these unwanted objects, and when you're done, you click on download, and that's it. You've removed this object, and it looks like you've not done anything with this picture. It looks like a new picture. So that's how you use this website, cleanup.pictures. So you can try to remove those unwanted objects from those pictures you've previously taken. Any wanted object you want to remove, you can use this website to remove those unwanted objects. It's free, although there is a pro version that unlock other activities, other features. But with the free version, you can be able to do whatever you want to do. Similar to the one we just looked at, the next one we'll be looking at is remove.bg. It's a very popular platform that people use mainly to remove background of pictures. But this website does a whole lot more than just removing background. So like I said earlier, I want to upload an image, the same image I've downloaded that I just used. So we'll upload the image from our laptop. So probably there's an image you want to change the background. There's a particular background you want to change into. This website will be able to help you do that. So what we do here is to upload the image. Once the image is uploaded now, you see the first thing this website will do is to remove the background of this image, leaving you with the main focus of the image. And in this case, the main focus is these two persons here, the lady and the male. That's in the picture. So there's this feature called magic background. With magic background, you can be able to replace the background with any features, any background you want to use. So there are countless backgrounds here you can use. You can use any of these backgrounds, replace them, and this background would be used in this picture. So like this, now I want to use this background. It's like an high school or an office, going to an office corporate setting. So if you're done, you can click on download, and you can download this for free. Although there is the pro version that you need to pay for, but there's also a free version available you can download. So once you're done, you click on download, and this will be downloaded. Yeah, so this is how you replace this background on this picture using remove.background. There are other things this website can do. You can also adjust, but for you to do that, you need to connect your Canva account. You can add effects to it. You can the blur amount. You can the opacity. You can also design. So to do this add text and element, you need to connect your Canva to it. You can do a cutout, and you probably want to remove something from here. just like the first website we looked at. Probably want to remove something from here. Let's say you want to remove the mount now, and then you select it. You see, what this will do is to erase. It's not, yeah, just like that. It has to erase it, but that other one seems a little bit better. But you can try the both and see the one that works best for you. You can then position this lady to be in the center, or use it like this. So that's how you use this app. The next website we're talking about is 10minmail.com. So what this app does is to provide an email, a temporary email address that you can use for signups. You probably want to sign up for a service or a website, and they require your email address. If you don't want to give up your email address, you can use this website to get temporary email that you can use for signups. So with this email, you don't need to have the password to this. You just get this email and use it. Another platform we can use is this one called tempmail.org. So it's same thing, same service, temporary email you can use to sign up for anything you want to sign up for. So you don't want to give your email address out, or you want to sign up for a free program, you can use this, and you can use as many emails you want. So you don't need to create much email when you are signing up for different programs. There's also a feature called a temporary phone number. Same, also available in the other platform we just looked at. This temporary phone number would give you phone number, so you probably don't want this platform to have your phone number. You can use this to make sure that this platform don't have access to your phone number. You get a temporary phone number, and once you sign up, like normally if you're signing up for a platform, they'll send you an SMS. You can receive this SMS using this platform, but I will not advise you to go this far to get a temporary number, except it's something that is very important for you to sign up, because this temporary phone number is not free. Unlike the temporary email that's free, the temporary phone number is not free. So if you want to do this, although it's against my advice, I don't advise you to do this, because I don't think there's any need to get a temporary phone number. But I don't know, probably you will want to get a temporary phone number. So there is you choose your platform, the popular platform, and the country, and the other number. So each platform has the amount. So probably you want to sign up on Amazon. You don't want to give them a phone number, or Facebook, Netflix, Apple, eBay, Gmail. So there are countless number, Telegram, OpenAI. So if you want to sign up on all of this platform, but you don't want to use your own phone number, so you can get a temporary phone number from this place. So this platform would help you to give you a temporary phone number you can use to sign up for all of this platform. And once you sign up, you can then get the SMS on this phone number. So there are so many services, and you can also search for these services. Yeah, then you can come over to this country, look for countries. There are countless number of countries you can choose from. So this is also one you can do. There's also, let's say you want to choose this, then choose your country and choose your order number. So that's how I use this service. The next one we're talking about, this one is like a collation of all tools we talked about. With this tool, you'll be able to do a whole lot. It's called TinyWow, tinywow.com. A free tool to make education simple, to make everything simple, to make business simple. So with this, you have a countless number of tools you can use. They have tools for PDF, they have tools for images, they have tools for video, they have tools for writing, they have tools for files. So if you have a PDF you want to work on, you can come over here and you see countless things you can do with the PDF. Let's say, for instance, you want to do a PDF, work on the PDF. So you can see PNG to PDF, crop PDF, PDF translator, PDF to PNG, PowerPoint to PDF. So all of these are things relating to PDF. Extract images, PDF. So all of these tools are tools you can use once it has to do with PDF. So you can also extract images from PDF, like I've said earlier, remove person from photos. There are countless tools you can use here. There are countless AI image generator. So what you need to do is to sign up for this platform. Although it's paid, they are paid tools, but there are also free tools you can use on this platform. So let's say, for instance, we want to go back now and look at all other tools that we have, except these are all PDF tools, like we said earlier. So all these are PDF tools, PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to PNG. All of these are PDF tools. As apart from PDF tools, they also have other tools you can use: background remover, photo cleanup, PDF creator. So there are other tools as well, tools pertaining to your images. If you want to write, if you have a video, you want to probably remove a particular segment of the video, you want to edit the video, you want to mute the video audio. So there are things you can do with this. So let's say I want to work on an image, for instance. That's an image we're using thus far. Let's say I want to work on that image. Yes, I want to work on that image. What I will need to do is to upload that image from my PC, from my laptop, or from your phone. All of these websites we've talked on, they are available on your phones and also on your PC and your laptop. So let's say I want to use this now on my laptop, and then I upload the image. So with this, you'll be able to do so many things. It's like a one platform that you can use to do a lot. So while the image upload, like I said, you can also use this to work on your PDF, or if you're a writer, you want to write, you can write. So let's say I want to increase the resolution of this, upscale an image. That's what I wanted to do. So I can upscale the resolution to, let's say, times 4 times 2. So the resolution of this would increase. Yeah, so I want to upscale the resolution. So probably you have an image that the resolution is not that good, or you have an image that you want to upscale. You can always come to this website to do that. So look at it now. This is the picture we're working with. Let's say we want to increase the upscale. We want to upscale it. Yeah. So while it's uploaded now, you can come over here to increase. You can, like I said, is paid, but there are also free version, and there's also free things you can do with this platform. So we are on effect now. This is the effect we want to work on. I want to increase the resolution. So there are other tools you can work on here. Other tools you can work on. You can convert this image now to all of this. So the other things we can work on with this image. So this tool is all encompassing. It has a whole lot of features you can use. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye and take care.